I'm tired.
I work on the chili.
I'm basically a YouTuber now. That is literally me. Sushi, I'ma come for you. Oh, I'm tired. Good morning, you snazzy people. How are you? It's been a while. Today, I'm in my house. For a change, my room isn't actually messy. She's pretty tidy. Today is the 16th of June. Today is a very exciting day. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. Day of my Edinburgh meetup. Ooh! I feel like every time I vlog, it's like, oh, I'm doing a meetup. To be honest, the weather is atrocious. I am pretty damn ill. It's not till 11:45, but I'm meeting my friends Katrina and Maven because they're coming with me. Check in with you all very soon.
She thought you were to say hello. I'm just stoned as hell.
Do you see you look stoned? Are you?
This is Amy, she's my best friend and she's very, very pretty.
Missing someone.
Welcome to the small Edinburgh meetup.
Appreciate you. Do it every single time.
5, 4.
I love you.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start.
Happens when you have white bedsheet and pink hair. A couple of days later from the meetup, I got home Saturday night. Plan was to start editing the vlog. I fell asleep. I died. Thank you to you lovely people, Amy, Mel and Gabby, who came along to the Edinburgh meetup even though it was horrible weather. If you guys enjoyed, I hope you're all having a great week. I will see you all very soon with another vlog. Have a great day, stay snazzy, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Young blood, see you want